In this video, I will quickly show you how to upload a website to Vercel and publish it online. First, make sure your website files are ready on your computer or stored in a GitHub repository. Next, go to the Vercel website and sign in to your account. Then click the New Project button to start a new project. If your site is on GitHub, select the corresponding repository. If you prefer manual upload, you can also use the Vercel CLI in the terminal to upload the project. After that, review the settings and click Deploy. Vercel will process the files, run the build if needed, and publish the website automatically. After a few seconds, you will receive a public link where your website will be available online. Whenever you update your project code, Vercel can automatically generate a new deployment. This makes it easy to keep your website updated. And that's it. Now you know how to upload a website to Vercel easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.